Free Forex signals. Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel TubeCore, and I hope you all are good. And today we are starting a series on this channel where I will be giving out free Forex signals almost every day. I will try to, okay, because I had this idea a couple of months ago as well, where I was planning to come and make these videos. But at that time, I was not bored. So I am bored right now. Bored as in I have nothing else to do because I do trading in which I hardly have to like work maybe half an hour, in a day. And then in 1 month, I will probably take maybe 4 or 5 trades, maybe 6, 7. I don't know, right? So what does it mean? That it leaves me with with so much time that I got bored. Okay, earlier I was doing a lot of stuff, but now I'm actually very very bored. And what I need to do for myself is to keep myself busy and engaged. Okay, so on the other end, these videos will be helpful for newbies, and even if you are an experienced trader, you will at least get some input in your trading style, and that will work as a booster, I believe. Okay, so let's start the video or the series. If you are new into Forex trading, and if you want to connect, then you can connect on my Telegram channel. You will find the link below. This is the first video of this free signal series, okay? So you will find all the links below, or you can go to t.me/tubefx0, or you will find the link below for my Telegram channel. You can join it for free, updates. And also below my YouTube video, you will find some Forex course for some newbies. If you want to do the automated trading, then you will find the link below my YouTube video talking about how to do Forex trading on automation and all that. You can check that out later on, okay? So today is 18th of April 2025, which is a Good Friday, and there is a bank holiday in most of the countries in New Zealand, Australia, Switzerland, Europe, and Britain and Canada. So everywhere there is a bank holiday today, which means on Friday today, 18th of April, we will not enter any trades, but we can do the technical analysis for the coming trades for next week. Okay. Now, these videos, as a disclaimer only, I'm telling you, are for information purposes only, and are not responsible for any of your profits or losses. But this is a free video, free information, so you can watch the video till the end. If you want to stay connected and get more updates, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow on Telegram as well. You will find all the links below. Okay. So if you are a newbie, then I would recommend you to start with demo accounts with fake money. Okay, because when you do trading, you actually lose real money and you also make real money. But if you're a newbie, you don't know nothing, start with the fake money using demo accounts. If you don't know which brokers to use, you will probably find some links below my video as well. Recommended brokers for US and for non-US customers. And you will find my email address below the video in case you want to talk to me, or other, you want to ask me something in person, you can email me. Okay, but it should be a legitimate question, valid question about any broker if you want to use through me or anything else. I'm not here to chit chat with you for free, okay? But if I feel your question is valid and I want to answer it, I will reply to you. Don't expect anything, but if it is, I feel it's genuine, I will reply to you, okay? So now we have the trading view chart. Okay, so for a manual trader, this is a must requirement. You need to go and sign up for trading view account. It is free to use. Okay, I don't have any link for trading view as of now. Maybe I will have, maybe I will not. Okay, but trading view is free to use. Anybody can start using trading view. Okay, now we have the first pair on our screen, which is AUD USD. Okay, so in general, dollar has been going down last 10 days. Okay, which means the opposite pairs of dollar will go up. So as you can see here, this is 9th of April. So from 9th of April, AUD shooted up, then up and up and up, and it crossed all this. So what we're gonna do is, before I explain this further, this is I would will we will keep it simple. But my friend, there's one more thing you need to know. This analysis or my trading signals are not for scalpers or short-term traders, okay? If you do trading in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, my signals will give you the idea for long-term trend, but I do not give signals for 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. I work on daily and weekly and 4-hour chart. Okay. So my signals are suited for swing traders, for traders who want to stay in the game for long term and make large profits and, not panic. Okay. So we only enter trade when we have enough confirmations. I will not tell you exactly everything in this video, otherwise it will be too long. But yes, you will get an idea what I'm talking about. So if you are a short-term trader, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, I will not give you any signals. But if you want to get the long-term idea, what is the trend, should you enter long or short? In that case, keep watching the video. So the first pair we have is AUD USD. Now, AUD USD, as you can see, the long term is bullish, I guess. So how do we find that out? We go on to weekly. You click on W here. Now, how do you set up this trading view and all that? You have to figure that out. Okay, so I do not have any training program on manual trading as of now, but I do have a program on automated trading, which is just below my YouTube video. You can find the link below. Check it out. Check that program later on. Okay. Anyways, so how do you set up trading view? I'm assuming you know all that, how to set up this trading view. If not, then you can find videos on YouTube and get it done on your yourself. Okay. Anyway, so how do we find out what trend are we in? So first we start with weekly. In weekly, we can clearly see weekly is downtrend. Okay. Now, I will not teach you how to identify trend, because if that will be a whole program. I don't have to go and talk about hours and hours in this video to teach you how to find trends and all that, right? I hope you understand. This video is all about giving you an idea what kind of trades shall we take, short or long, and then you decide for yourself. So I'm not here going to specify exactly when to enter and what should be your exit, pips and all that, but I'll give you an idea which trade to enter, buy or sell. Okay. But we are going to follow the top down approach. So we will check the trend in weekly, daily and 4-hour, and according to that we will decide whether we're gonna enter, sell or buy. Okay. So weekly here for AUD USD is absolutely, weekly is sell for now, but I am assuming next week it will break weekly and it will go up. Okay. For now, weekly is sell. Now daily is buy. Okay. And 4-hour is also buy. So in top down you have simple approach, weekly, daily and 4-hour chart. And out of weekly, daily and 4-hour, two of those needs to be in the same direction. Okay. For example, here you see weekly is down, weekly is sell, but daily is buy and 4-hour is also buy. What does it mean? It means we will only look for buy positions. Okay. Now normally people will find entry in 4 hours. So if you are trading on daily chart, you will enter on 4-hour. That is up to you. I will not tell you when to enter. That is your lookout. But I have confirmed that the trend is uptrend for AUD USD now, and we are only going to look for buys. Okay. How will I approach? Well, I will not enter any buy trade in AUD USD for now, because you can see here it has been going up on daily chart since 9th of April and today is 18th. So since last 10 days it has been going up only. So it will be very stupid if you enter buy trade in AUD USD right now. What are you gonna do? You're gonna wait for the pullback. Okay. So you will see this red candle will come until this I guess green line here or whatever. Okay. So we have to wait for the pullback, and you can wait for the pullback either in daily chart or in 4-hour chart. And once you feel that it has come down, and then you wait for the confirmation, which will be a blue candle, and then you enter your AUD USD. So the tools which you can use to check when the pullback is over is called Fibonacci tool. You can use Fibonacci to check when the trend is doing the pullback. Okay. Pullback means it will trace it down until here somewhere, and then it will start going up again. Okay. I will not go ahead and teach everything in just one video. This is a free Forex signal video in which I'm telling you, if you talk about AUD USD for long-term swing traders, the trend is buy it as of today, and you should only look for buy positions when after the pullback happens, and then rest of the things you have to check in your own for confirmation. If you want pinpoint trades, for example, you want me to tell you when to enter which pair and when to exit which pair with the exact pips and numbers and everything, then make sure you join the Telegram channel, t.me/2fx0. And again, these are free and paid signals. For now, I have no idea what I'm going to do because I'm only starting this. This is the first video, okay? But yes, if you want, if you want precise updates, then make sure you follow the Telegram channel. Next trade we have is Euro USD. We will keep it simple. We'll go to the weekly. Weekly is buy here, as you can see. Daily is buy as well. 4 hours buy as well. So no rocket science. All 3 time periods have buy, which means that Euro is in the uptrend. Now, what we will do is we will look for a pullback. Okay, normally people look for a pullback in 4 hour or in daily chart. Personally, I look for pullback in daily. That's just me. You can look for pullback in 4 hour as well. I personally look for pullbacks in daily chart because I don't take many. I take only like 5, 6, 7 trades a month. Sometimes even just 5. So in one trade I will go for like 300 pips at least. Okay, but it's entirely up to you. Okay, so Euro USD definitely is an uptrend, but now I'm expecting it to go down. Okay, so we will hopefully see a pullback until here. You can use it for Fibonacci, and then you can go ahead and wait for the confirmation candle, and then you can see if it's gonna go up or not. So Euro USD, definitely look for buys only in long-term trend and wait for pullback. Right now, don't enter buy, wait for pullback. Second is GBP USD, same thing here. Weekly is buy trend, daily is buy, and 4 hour is also buy. So look for only buys in GBP USD after pullback. As you can see, it has been going up. It will be stupid if you enter here. You have to wait for pullback and then enter. Okay, and only enter after pullback when there's a blue confirmation candle. There's a lot of things which you have to look into, but in this video I can't make you expert, but I can give you an idea. Okay, NZD USD, moving on. NZD USD is already taking a pullback, as you can see here. So we have weekly, which is buy, as you can see. Daily is also buy. 4 hour is also buy. Okay, so we have NZD USD going up. In daily, if we come back, you can see it has started taking the pullback. So it will take a pullback maybe it's until here. I will go up again. So keep an eye on the pullbacks and then enter. Okay, use the Fibonacci tool to trace your these pullback levels. You can use Fibonacci in 4 hour or in daily chart to enter your positions. It's entirely up to you. Okay, and if you want precise signals, make sure you follow me on this Telegram. We have USD CAD. So in USD CAD, weekly is sell, daily is sell, and 4 hour is also sell. So in USD CAD, we will only look for sells, but after the pullback. Okay, so you can see it has come down. I am only doing the analysis on daily personally. So you can see here it has come down. So we are going to wait for the pullback. So it has to come here all the way, and then again confirmation of red candle, and then continue down. Okay, so use your Fibonacci. USD SGD, not many people trade USD SGD, but it is a USD pair, so you can maybe look into this if your broker allows you to trade USD SGD. Okay, again, weekly is what? Weekly is sell, then we have daily, which is sell, and then 4 hour is also sell. So we are going to look for sells in USD SGD only after the pullback. So it's going to come up and then maybe go down. If it doesn't pull back properly, then we will not enter. Okay, use your Fibonacci. Okay, and mostly you can use Fibonacci. Maybe it's entirely up to you if you want to enter into 4 hour. So use Fibonacci here. I personally will do in daily. Anyways, we have then USD CHF, same story. Weekly is sell, daily is sell, and 4 hour is sell as well. So we will only enter sell in USD CHF, but after the pullback, it needs to come up and then red candle and then enter. Okay, precise signals you will find in Telegram. Join it. Then we have AUD CAD, and by the way, the pairs which you see in my list right now, these are the only pairs I try to find opportunities. you will not see me trading any JPY pairs. Okay, I have my own reasons. I don't trade GBP CHF. I don't trade Euro CHF. I don't trade Euro GBP, and I don't trade any JPY pairs for my own good reasons. Okay, and my advice is the same. The pairs which I have just named right now, don't trade them either. That's just my experience. It's entirely up to you. Okay. AUD cat. Let's see what we have in weekly. Weekly is definitely sell. And then daily is also sell. And 4 hour is buy. Okay. So two confirmations. The weekly is sell and daily is also sell. So we are only going to take a sell position. What is going to happen? You will have a large red candle here next week, which will eat this blue candle. So if a red candle closes below this one, probably you will enter sell. Okay, so trend is sell in AUD CAD. Look for sells only. AUD CHF trend is down. Weekly is down, as you can see. Daily is down. So look for, if this red candle eats this candle, so if this red candle closes below this candle, we will enter the sell and we will take our this profit of 1:2 ratio, whatever you follow. Okay. Similarly, we have Euro AUD. Weekly is buy. Very good. Weekly is buy. Daily is buy. 4 hour is sell. So we will care about two time periods, weekly, daily. They are in buy. So we will only look for buys, which means if this blue candle eats this blue candle, so if this blue candle closes above here, then we will enter buy and look for our exit position right here. Okay. So GBP AUD, weekly is buy. Okay, weekly is buy, daily is buy, which means we will only look for buy opportunities. So if this blue candle in daily eats this candle, then we will enter buy. Quite simple, right? EuroCAD next. EuroCAD. Weekly we have. Weekly is buy. Daily is buy. We will only look for buys here, but after the pullback. Okay, so it has gone up. I'm expecting a pullback and then blue candle and then go up. So, and one more thing here as well, you have to look for two things, that previous high must be broken. So this candle was closed at 1.57611 and this candle will close at 57922. Okay, so let me see. Absolutely, we have a new high. Okay, so this candle was broken by this candle, which means the trend is surely up. It's going to take a pullback and then it's going to go further up. Okay, cool. We have NZD CAD here. NZD CAD weekly time frame is crossing today weekly, so it's going, weekly is going up. Daily is already up and 4 hour is already up, which means confirmation is that NZD CAD is in the uptrend. So it has going up. What we're gonna do? We are not going to enter now. We're gonna wait for the pullback. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a pullback in daily, and then I'm gonna wait for one blue candle to eat that yellow candle, eat that red candle, and then enter, and then take a profit somewhere here. Cool. NZD CHF weekly is let me check. Weekly is, I hope, sell trend. My internet, yeah. So weekly is sell, as you can see. Daily is also sell. Well, what else do we need? Okay, so it has already pushing down. Once this red candle closes below this red candle, we're gonna enter the sell and we're gonna take profit somewhere here. It's cool. Euro NZD. Euro NZD is weekly. What do we have? Weekly is buy Euro NZD. Daily is also buy, and 4 hour is sell. Okay, because two time frames are buy. And once this blue candle breaks this blue candle, okay, so once this blue candle closes above this blue candle, we're gonna enter the buy and take our profit somewhere here. Cool. GBP NZD weekly is, let me see, weekly is buy and daily is also, daily is sell. Okay, weekly is buy, daily is sell, and then 4 hour is also sell. Okay, so if this blue candle closes above this red candle, then it will turn into a buy trade, or it can be a pullback as well. We have to be very careful in this one, okay? Because as of right now, weekly is buy. So weekly is buy, but daily is in a downtrend, but it has started to come up, and 4 hour is also started to come up. So what we are going to do is we're going to play smart here, and we will wait for 4 hour candles to come above this line. Okay, so 4 hour candle needs to close above this line, and also the daily candle needs to close above this line, and then weekly is already above the line. Okay, so once we have candles closing above this green line in 3 time frames, weekly, daily, and 4 hour, then only we will enter the buy trend. I hope you got the point. Last our pair is GBP CAD. Okay, GBP CAD is weekly. We have here buy. Weekly is buy trend, and then daily is also buy trend, as you can see here closing above. 4 hour is also buy. So no rocket science. We will only enter buy trade in this GBP CAD. Pullback is happen here, or you can see here I have the position here already going on. So it came up here. It took the it took the pullback, and now once this blue candle, I hope you can let me drag it down. Okay, so once this blue candle will close above this blue candle, not the red but the blue, it has to break the previous high. Okay, so once this blue candle breaks this previous high, we will enter buy position and we will take our trade 1:2. As you can see, my risk to reward is 1:2 here, so I am waiting for this trade to move in my favor. I will enter as soon this blue candle closes this blue one, closes above this blue in daily chart. Okay, so I hope guys you liked the video and you understood how these things work. And if you rush in trading, somebody else will make money. If you gather the knowledge first and do your technical analysis and do a lot of testing with fake money and demo accounts, then you will have higher chances to succeed. Remember one thing, losing money in trading is part of the process. If you are not willing to lose the money, don't enter into this game. Nobody makes money every day. You will lose money as well, but as long you make more than what you lose, you should be good to go and follow the right people. Okay, all the links which you will see in the video below will be helpful to you, whether you want to use some broker or go for some forex automation program. And also join my Telegram channel, and I'll see you maybe on Monday. So today is what? Today is 18th. Today is bank holiday. On 21st of April, which is Monday, there will be bank holiday as well. This is a long weekend coming ahead. So we will just go ahead and wait for next week until Tuesday to, see how things go. But yes, this is a long-term game. Be patient. And if you have any questions, any valid questions about broker, or, join through me, you can email me. I'll answer it if I find the question is valid. And join my Telegram, and I'll see you maybe on Monday. Till then, trade safely.